Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're diving into a full tutorial on using Airtable for project management. Whether you're managing team tasks, tracking deadlines, or organizing multiple projects, this guide will give you everything you need to get set up efficiently. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your project table. First is to create a new base. Start by opening Airtable and clicking on Add a Base in the workspace. Select the option Start from Scratch, which lets you build your project structure from the ground up. Name your base something recognizable, like project management or the name of your specific project. Next, follow these prompts. You can also choose an icon and color for easy identification. When you open your new base, you'll see a default grid view that looks similar to a spreadsheet but has a lot more functionality. Each row represents a task, and each column or field holds specific information related to each task. This view is perfect for a high-level overview of your entire project. Step 2. Adding essential fields. Let's first add a task name field. The default field labeled name can be renamed to task name. This will be where you list each specific task or item in your project. To rename, simply click on the field title, select Rename Field, and type in task name. Second, adding assignee field. Now we'll add a field to assign tasks to different team members. Click on the plus sign at the end of the table to add a new field. Select Single Select as the field type and label it as assignee. Add the names of your team members, as this will allow you to assign each task to a specific person with a simple drop-down selection. Third, due date field. Let's add a due date field. Click the plus sign, select date as the field type, and name it due date. This will help you track when each task is due, ensuring that everything stays on schedule. Airtable also allows you to set a time along with a date if you want more detailed tracking. Fourth, status field. The status field is crucial for tracking the progress of each task. Add a new field, choose Single Select as the field type, and name it Status. You might include options like Not Started, In Progress, On Hold, and Complete, so team members can update each task's progress as they work. Fifth, priority field. This is optional. Adding a priority field can be helpful for more complex projects. Create a new single select field, label it priority, and add options such as high, medium, and low to help you focus on the most important tasks first. Sixth, notes or description field. Again, this is optional. Finally, consider adding a long text field for additional details about each task. Label this field Notes or Description. This is useful for adding any extra context or instructions that may be needed to complete the task. Step 3. Adding tasks to your table. With the basic structure in place, you can now begin entering your tasks. Each task should have its own row in the table. For example, in the task name column, add a task like Create Project Outline or Design Website Layout. select a team member from the assignee dropdown. Choose a due date from the due date field. Set the task current status in the status field. For example, not started. Optionally, set a priority level if you've added a priority field. For each task, add any necessary details in the notes field. This can include important information, links to resources, or specific instructions that your team might need. Step 4. Customizing views for better organization. Airtable allows you to create different views to help organize your tasks in various ways. Here are a few useful views for project management. First is to add a calendar view by clicking on the plus icon next to the grid view. This view will arrange your tasks by due dates, showing when each one is scheduled. Calendar view is perfect for visualizing your timeline and spotting any upcoming deadlines at a glance. Second is Kanban view. The Kanban view is a great option for tracking tasks based on status. Click Add a View and select Kanban. This will group your tasks by the options in the status field, allowing you to drag and drop tasks from not started to in progress and then to complete as you work. It's a fantastic visual tool for managing workflows. Third, filter views. Airtable also allows you to create filtered views that display only certain tasks. For example, you could create a view that shows only tasks assigned to a specific person or only tasks marked as high priority. To do this, click Filter at the top of your table and set up conditions based on your fields. Step 5. Adding attachments and comments. Airtable supports attachments and comments, which are helpful for keeping all relevant information in one place. Click on a tasks row and look for the plus icon in the rows attachment field to upload files. You can attach documents, images, or other resources that team members might need. This is especially useful for design projects where you may want to attach reference images or for any files that need to be shared directly within the table. Second is using comments. Airtable's comment features allows you to add notes and updates directly to each task. Click on the speech bubble icon to leave a comment. Team members can ask questions, leave updates, or communicate about the task right within Airtable, which helps keep conversations organized. Step 6. Collaboration and sharing. Once your project table is set up, you can invite team members to collaborate. Click the Share button at the top of your Airtable base. Enter team members' email addresses to invite them, giving them access to view or edit the base based on their roles. Airtable also allows you to set specific permissions for each collaborator. You can allow certain users to edit only a certain field or restrict them to view-only access, depending on the level of control you need. Step 7. Automations and integrations. Advanced. For more advanced project management, consider setting up automations and integrations. Automations can be used to create reminders, move tasks, or send notifications based on certain triggers. For example, you can set up an automation to send an email reminder when a task's due date is approaching or mark a task as complete automatically when certain conditions are met. Airtable also integrates with a variety of other tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and Zapier, allowing you to connect your project management table with your team's existing tools and streamline workflows further. And there you have it. This Airtable setup for project management covers everything you need to get started. Thanks for watching and happy organizing. Bye!